Welcome to this explainer. Let's totally break down the stock market for beginners using, well, monkeys and bananas. So, a monkey wants a banana business. He needs cash, but robbing a bank? Yeah, that totally fails. Instead, he asks rich monkeys for startup cash. In exchange, he gives them stock, making them partial owners. Now, with this new money, our monkey has to resist buying a Lambo and actually buy more trees. When those trees make a profit, investors get a cut of the cash. We call that a dividend. Think of stock as the entire banana tree, and shares as the individual bananas you can actually buy. You've got big, reliable blue chip stocks, or you can risk it all on super cheap penny stocks. The stock market? That's just the giant jungle marketplace where all these monkey companies trade their shares. A bull market means prices are shooting up, but a bear market? That means prices are dropping fast. Much like monkeys freezing on a cold night, individual stocks sometimes huddle together into what's called a fund. Take the monkey S&P 500. It groups the 500 biggest jungle companies, from fruit to bugs. Most monkeys see this as super low risk. Well, unless a politician monkey gets involved and causes market chaos. Grouping stocks for maximum aggressive profit creates a hedge fund. Huge rewards, but way higher risk of losing. Keep in mind, these risky hedge funds definitely aren't for everyday monkeys. Only the ultra-rich ones can play. So what actually makes these banana prices constantly go up and down every single day? It's all about high demand, business expansion, disappearing bananas, or leaks about super secret jungle projects. This explainer isn't financial advice.